Are you ready to take control of your entrepreneurial dreams? Do you want to turn your passion into a successful business venture? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of starting a limited liability company, LLC, and guide you through the step-by-step process of obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, in the beautiful state of Louisiana. Let's start by understanding why you should consider forming an LLC. An LLC is a business structure that combines the limited liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. Here are some compelling reasons why starting an LLC is the way to go. 1. Limited liability protection. As the name suggests, forming an LLC protects your personal assets from being used to settle business debts or legal obligations. This means that your personal savings, property, and investments are shielded in case your business faces financial or legal challenges. 2. Flexibility in management. Unlike corporations that have a rigid management structure, LLCs offer flexibility. You can choose how you want to manage your LLC, whether it's through a member-managed structure where all owners participate in decision-making or a manager-managed structure where you appoint a manager to handle day-to-day operations. 3. Pass-through taxation. One of the most attractive features of an LLC is its tax advantages. By default, LLCs are considered pass-through entities, meaning the profits and losses of the business are reported on the owner's personal tax returns. This eliminates the double taxation that corporations often face. 4. Credibility and professionalism. Starting an LLC adds a level of credibility to your business. It demonstrates to clients, customers, and potential partners that you're serious about your venture. Additionally, an LLC allows you to easily separate personal and business finances, adding a professional touch to your operations. Now that you understand the benefits, let's dive into the step-by-step process of starting an LLC in Louisiana. Follow these detailed instructions to get your business up and running smoothly. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Selecting the right name for your LLC is crucial. It should be unique, easy to remember, and compliant with Louisiana's naming requirements. You can search the Louisiana Secretary of State's website to ensure your desired name is available. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Every LLC in Louisiana must have a registered agent who acts as the point of contact between the state and your business. The registered agent should have a physical address within the state and be available during regular business hours to receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with the Louisiana Secretary of State. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes information such as the LLC's name, address, registered agent details, and management structure. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not required by Louisiana law, creating an operating agreement is highly recommended. This internal document outlines the ownership and management structure, member rights and responsibilities, and the LLC's operating procedures. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify your LLC for tax purposes. You can obtain an EIN by completing an online application on the IRS website. Be sure to have all the necessary information, such as your LLC's legal name, address, and responsible party details. Step 6. Register for state taxes. In Louisiana, you may need to register for state taxes, such as sales and use tax or franchise tax. Check with the Louisiana Department of Revenue to determine which taxes apply to your LLC and complete the necessary registrations. Step 7. Obtain any required licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain specific licenses and permits to operate legally in Louisiana. Research the requirements related to your industry and location, and ensure that you obtain all the necessary permits and licenses. Step 8. Comply with ongoing requirements. Once your LLC is formed, you'll have ongoing compliance requirements to fulfill. These may include filing annual reports, maintaining proper records and bookkeeping, and renewing licenses and permits. Stay organized and stay on top of these obligations to keep your LLC in good standing. Now, let's focus on obtaining an Employer Identification Number, EIN, for your LLC. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make the process seamless. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you begin the application, gather the necessary information. You'll need your LLC's legal name, address, and the name and social security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, of the responsible party. The responsible party is typically the LLC's owner or a designated individual who will act as the main contact. Step 2. Access the IRS Online application. Visit the IRS website and navigate to the Online EIN application section. You'll find a link to the application form there. Step 3. Complete the application. Fill out the online application, providing accurate information about your LLC. Double-check all details to ensure they are correct. Once completed, review the application and make any necessary corrections before submitting. Step 4. Submit the application. After reviewing the application, submit it electronically. The IRS will immediately provide you with your EIN upon successful submission. You can then download, save, and print the confirmation letter for your records. Step 5. Understand the EIN's purpose. Remember, an EIN is used for various purposes, such as filing taxes, opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and conducting certain business transactions. Keep your EIN safe and provide it when required by banks, clients, or government agencies. Congratulations! You've taken a significant step towards starting your LLC and obtaining an EIN in Louisiana. By forming an LLC, you gain limited liability protection, flexibility in management, and tax advantages. Plus, the detailed steps we provided will guide you through the process of starting your business smoothly. Remember, consult with a qualified attorney or business professional to ensure compliance with specific legal and tax requirements based on your unique circumstances. Best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand, you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.